Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about sexual reproduction in animals. So we already know that sexual reproduction, in this two cells are involved which are known as gametes. Here we have two types of gametes, female gamete and male gamete. They fuse together and they form a zygote. The same happens in animals. Here the male gamete is called the sperm. The male gamete is known as the sperm and the female gamete is known as the ovum or the egg. The nucleus of these two fuse together and they form a zygote. And zygote, on further development, it makes an embryo. Now the fertilization, it is of two types. If the fertilization occurs inside the female's body, it is known as internal fertilization. If it occurs outside the female's body, it is known as external fertilization. Now the examples of these two are: internal fertilization happens in mammals, birds and reptiles, and external fertilization happens in fishes and amphibians such as frogs or toads. Now let's talk about the advantages of sexual reproduction. The first one is it leads to greater variety in population. It leads to genetic variation. It leads to the origin of new species and evolution. This is all about sexual reproduction in animals. In the next class, we'll talk about puberty and secondary sexual characters. So stay tuned.